अज़ल अबदनू सही कीतों से देख तमाशे गुजरे हूँ। 14 तबक दिले दे अंदर आतिश लाए हुजरे हूँ। जिन्हा हक न हासिल कीता ओ दोहें जहानी उजड़े हूँ। आशिक गर्क होए विच वहदत बाहू देख तिन्हां दे मुजरे हूँ। The one who succeeded to grasp the reality of eternity and infinity understood everything. The heart of such person encloses the secrets and mysteries of the whole universe. The fire of divine love illuminates the lover's heart with knowledge, and he gets vision to see beyond the surface of things. The curtain between him and reality is removed, but there are some unfortunate people who are ruined in the worldly as well as eternal life. But lovers get intoxicated with the wine of oneness of Allah. One can truly guess it by looking at their ecstasy. Sultanul Arifin Hazrat Sultan Bahu Rahmatullah Alayhi tells, when ultimate reality of a person's existence is revealed to him, he severs ties with worldly comforts or luxuries. The true lover is not much inclined to worldly affairs, as his heart ignites with divine love, and he remains in this state all the time. So greed cannot break into his heart like a thief who robs a person. So greed cannot break into his heart like a thief who robs a person of his most valuable possession. The true lover seeks access to divine truth and the sight of his beloved, so he has nothing to do with worldly people. Those whose hearts are hollow and devoid of divine love suffer in both worlds, eternal as well as temporal. They remain deprived and miserable in worldly as well as everlasting life. Love is tedious task as it demands an unending patience. Strong and adamant people, like mountains, are dissolved like salt in the way of love. This heavy burden is lifted by those who are chosen by Lord, and only God gives them strength to reach that ultimate destination where all the secrets are revealed or unveiled. At this point, the lover gets absorbed in his beloved, and state of unison is attained. The true lover becomes the reflection of his beloved. He eventually dives into the sea of oneness of Allah and attains his desired objective, that is the nearness to Allah. The lover gets intoxicated with divine love, and his boundless joy is transformed into ecstasy. But the true lover has to wade through a sea of trials and tribulations to attain that blissful state. One has to negate his own self, ego, and worldly desires to attain divine love, which ensures success and inner joy in both lives. Hazrat Sultan Bahu Rahmatullah Alayhi emphasizes on the fact that divine secrets are revealed to the person who chooses the right path. A person gets the treasure of divine love according to his strength or capacity. When divine love illuminates his heart, all secrets or mysteries of the universe are revealed to him. Those who fail to attain nearness to Allah ruin their both worlds, eternal as well as temporal. Only those people get nearness to Allah who negate their own self and get absorbed in the remembrance of Allah. Allama Fakir Muhammad Masudi Rahmatullah Alayhi says, only that person will get access to divine love who will be transformed into Mina before actually reaching that place.
जिथे सारे अन्ने ना कोई साडी जात पिछाणे ना कोई सानू मन्ने